Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for making the best purchasing decisions without having to sell your kidney. Today, we're pitting two fierce competitors against each other in the drone arena. On the left corner, we have the Heygelo S90 drone, and on the right, the Techwonderz drone with camera. Which one will soar to victory, and which one will crash and burn? Let's dive in and find out. Camera quality, because who wouldn't want to capture their neighbor's backyard barbecue in glorious HD? The Heygelo S90 boasts a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. It's like having a bird's eye view without the bird poop. Meanwhile, the Techwonderz drone not only offers 1080p HD, but also has dual cameras and a 90 degrees rotatable front camera. It's like having eyes in the back of your head, but cooler. Reviewers say the Heygelo S90 provides decent photo quality, but the live stream quality could be better. On the other hand, Techwonderz is praised for its excellent picture quality, making it a favorite among users. Next up, flight time. The Heygelo S90 gives you a solid 26 minutes of airtime with its two modular batteries. Perfect for those who get bored easily. But Techwonderz? It laughs in the face of 26 minutes and offers a whopping 50 minutes. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show while your drone does all the hard work. Reviewers appreciate the Heygelo S90's long battery life, but Techwonderz's extended flight time is a game changer for many. Now let's talk about user-friendly features. Heygelo S90 is like that friendly neighbor who offers you a cup of sugar. It's got one key start, land, altitude hold, and even propeller guards for all you butterfingers out there. Reviews highlight its ease of use and beginner-friendly features. On the other hand, Techwonderz is the overachiever. It's got optical flow positioning, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and can even perform 360 degrees flips and rolls. It's like the drone equivalent of a parkour enthusiast. Users love how easy it is to maneuver and the added safety features. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Price. The Heygelo S90 comes in at a wallet-friendly $59. Perfect for those who want to fly high without breaking the bank. But if you're feeling a bit more bougie, Techwonderz is yours for $129. Think of it as an investment in your future drone piloting career. Or just an excuse to show off to your friends. Reviewers agree that the Heygelo S90 offers great value for its price, while Techwonderz, though pricier, is seen as worth the investment for its advanced features. Overall, reviewers find the Heygelo S90 to be a great entry-level drone that offers good value for its price, with durable build and easy-to-use features. However, some minor issues like live stream quality and app performance were noted. In contrast, Techwonderz is praised for its advanced features, excellent camera quality, and extended flight time, making it a preferred choice for those willing to spend a bit more. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, fun starter drone, Heygelo S90 is your go-to. But if you want all the bells and whistles and a drone that practically flies itself, Techwonderz is the way to go. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our epic product battles. Comment below and let us know which drone you'd choose and why. Until next time, happy flying and stay smart, shoppers. Product links are in the description.